My name is Julie. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn, and in this video, I'm going to show you what I've been working on. I usually like to show all my finished projects, but I don't have any this week. But I think I will show you what my granddaughter made me. Me and my husband, I visited my daughter and her 4 children, because I know she has a recently new baby, so I had to go down and get it every time I had a chance to get away. I went down and visit them. But anyway, my granddaughter made me this necklace. It is so cute. She looks like she's being to be kind of a crafty one, so I thought I'd show some of these little beads on here. It's so cute. Little star. These other beads. Oh, this one's my favorite. That one's my favorite. Some stars, and yeah, I was wearing this all weekend. I thought it was cute. She also likes to draw and stuff, so we were watching some YouTube videos on how to draw some simple animals, so I think I can show you that now. A cat. I don't know if you can see that. I made a dragon. Some more cats I did. Oh, and I did a puppy. I guess art's not my strongest suit. Oh, and here are some cats she did. Yeah, so that was fun. That was an exciting weekend. The majority, I did bring a project to work on me this weekend. In between all the visiting, as I was working on my Shawl for Mystery Yarn Challenge 223, hosted by Armchair Chef. I am doing the stepping blocks. I think it's called Stepping Block Shawl. So I guess it is, I don't know if this is a repeat of, I got the pink, the white, the purple, the white, and the red, and that's like one repeat. And I'm hoping to do 2 more repeats to at least finish out the shawl. And I decided to put some, it's supposed to call for fringe. I'm just doing chains for the end. So hoping to have that done soon. Not much progress on my waiting project, you know, waiting at the doctor's office, stuff like that. It's just this shawl made with the cloud cakes. Not much new from last week. So that's that. Project I was hoping to get done this week is my blanket. I'm doing a tutorial on my Stash Buster blanket, and I was hoping to have that done and posted this week. Well, actually, I was hoping to get it at least recorded last week to get posted this week, but well, we are almost done. We're getting there. I don't know if I can get it all in. Oh, that's the back end. So this is the front end. Just kind of wanting to finish up the anniversary cakes on that. So make sure you subscribe and keep an eye out for that tutorial. It says hoping this week. The only other projects I have left are my temperature blankets. So here's the crochet one. It is just a scarf, and it is done on the linen stitch. I lost my hook that I started out with, so I had to go into another one that I'm hoping is similar. So I'm kind of hoping that it's not going to affect it too much on the width. But yeah, some crazy temperatures. We had some 60s this past week, and then it got really cold into the 20s. Back up to the 50s again. So that is that project. And because I was trying to work on getting that blanket done, I've fallen behind on my knitted temperature blanket. I'm recording this on the 20th, and I'm only on, I just haven't started the 16th yet. So like some of the patterns this month has 2 colors, like the 15th has 2 colors in it. So I guess if there's 2 colors, what I did was I used the low temperature as the second color. So that is that. Oh yeah, and yeah, this pattern, I think there was a typo in the pattern, because I saw they had increase, but they didn't, I couldn't find any account for the decrease. Plus I knew it was a convention. I made a mistake, and regrettably, I guess I had to nearly cry and had to pull this out and try. Hopefully didn't drop any stitches, but we were successful in frogging back what we needed to and getting it going. So, but yeah, again, looking like we're over halfway through, and it's not, let's see, I don't know if I have oh, I do have a tape measure over here. And so far, we're over halfway through I'm over about halfway through. And we're about 11 inches. So I don't think it's going to get as tall as my January, but again, I was kind of expecting different square sizes for the different months. Yeah, see, you can tell my yellow is my 50s, so you can see quite a bit of February in the 50s, which in Nebraska I think is kind of crazy. I wouldn't think that they have to hit the 50s until maybe next month. But we're gonna have crazy weather this week too. It's gonna, like today was 50s, I think tomorrow's 50s, and then we're supposed to go back into the 20s again, at least another couple of days. So it's kind of like been swinging back and forth, but that is normal for Nebraska, so not uncommon. So that is all my projects. I want to thank you as always for sticking around and watching my videos. I'm that close to 900 subscribers. So yeah, pretty soon I'll be seeing that 1,000 subscriber milestone. But I'm not pushing it that much because my watch hours are it's like way behind. I'm barely over 1,000. And you know, to be monetized, you need about 4. Well, you do need 4,000. Or your option, if you're the shorts creators, if they can get 10 million views over a 3-month period, which to me sounds insane, but I guess it's not impossible. Anyway, I guess now shorts creators can get monetized. That's a recent thing from YouTube, but you might know that already. So, all right, that's enough of me babbling. I want to thank you again as always. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.